Brainy Dose presents How to Master Yourself and Your Life, 10 Steps to Achieving Self-Mastery. Mastering yourself and the life you lead is akin to unlocking the most sophisticated code that directs your path toward fulfillment and success. This process centers on gaining control, making conscious decisions, and guiding your existence in the direction of your desired outcomes. It isn't about monumental conquests, but about winning over your inner battles and managing life's intricacies with poise and resolve. In this guide, we'll walk through 10 pivotal steps to achieve self-mastery. Each step is a critical piece of the puzzle to becoming more content, resilient, and wise. Number 1. Pay attention to what you need. The first step toward mastering yourself is understanding your needs. These have less to do with what you want in the moment and more to do with what you genuinely need for a balanced, fulfilling life. So listen to your body, mind, and soul. Do you need more rest, healthier food, or perhaps quiet time to think? Maybe you need more meaningful social interactions or space for exploring creativity. Paying attention to and addressing these needs lays the foundation for self-care and self-respect. It's about realizing that you are your most valuable asset and treating yourself as such. Number 2, understand what is within your control. An essential aspect of self-mastery is focusing your energy and efforts on areas of your life you can influence, while releasing stress and worry about the things you cannot control. For instance, you can decide how to deal with challenges, choose your attitude each morning, and determine how much effort to put into your goals. However, you cannot control other people's actions, the outcome of every situation, or external events like the weather or the economy. Learning to differentiate between these two categories will save you unnecessary frustration and empower you to invest your time wisely. Number 3, embrace acceptance. Acceptance means recognizing reality as it is, not as you wish it to be. By accepting the current state of things, you allow yourself to respond thoughtfully instead of reacting impulsively. Now, this doesn't equate to settling for mediocrity or halting the pursuit of improvement. It simply involves recognizing the current situation without judgment and deciding how best to address it. This approach reduces the mental and emotional energy wasted on denial or resistance, freeing you to focus on actionable solutions. It's a vital step for maintaining peace of mind and avoiding unnecessary turmoil. Number 4, limit external desires and pleasures. The pursuit of external desires and pleasures, like material possessions, fame, or approval from others, usually leads to a never-ending cycle of wanting more. True contentment comes from within, from appreciating what you have and finding joy in simple pleasures. That's not to say you shouldn't enjoy life's comforts or strive for success, but your happiness shouldn't be solely dependent on these things. Begin by practicing gratitude and focusing on what you're thankful for in your life right now. By valuing internal satisfaction over external rewards, you'll establish a more stable and fulfilling sense of happiness. Number 5, develop emotional resilience. Building emotional resilience involves crafting the inner fortitude required to navigate life's hurdles without succumbing to overwhelm. At its core, such resilience is underpinned by emotional agility, the ability to traverse a broad range of feelings without letting any single emotion take the wheel and drive you off course. This process entails wholehearted acceptance of your emotional experiences, coupled with an effort to grasp their roots and implications. It will help you stay calm and collected, ready to take on whatever life throws at you next. Number 6, value action over thought. While planning and analyzing is valuable, it becomes ineffective without action. Procrastination and overthinking can prevent you from achieving your goals. To overcome this, break your goals down into small, actionable steps. This makes them less daunting and easier to tackle. Set deadlines for yourself and use tools like to-do lists or planners to keep track of your progress. And don't wait for the perfect moment to start. Take action now. Progress, no matter how small, is a step in the right direction. Number 7, prepare for adversity. Preparing for future challenges means adopting a pragmatic approach to life's inevitable ups and downs, rather than merely bracing for the worst. This can be as practical as setting aside savings for financial emergencies, or as personal as developing coping strategies for stress. The point is to have a plan and to know that you can tackle difficulties when they arise. Of course, preparing for adversity doesn't guarantee you'll avoid it, but it does ensure you're better equipped to handle it. Number 8. Don't quit when things get hard. One of the most critical aspects of self-mastery is persistence. When faced with challenges, it's tempting to give up, to think it's too hard or not worth the effort. But true growth and achievement come from pushing through those difficulties. Don't quit when things get hard. Instead, see each challenge as an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to prove to yourself what you're capable of. Persistence goes beyond just hanging in there. It requires advancing with purpose and determination. Number 9. Seek wisdom constantly. The pursuit of knowledge and understanding is a lifelong journey. Wisdom doesn't just come from education. It also comes from experience, reflection, and interactions with others. Stay curious and open-minded. Ask questions and seek to understand different perspectives. Read widely, not just in your area of interest, but in diverse fields to broaden your horizon. Also, make time to assimilate your own experiences and learn from them. By continuously seeking wisdom, you arm yourself with the tools to make better decisions and lead a more enlightened life. Number 10. Reflect and reassess regularly. Regular reflection is an integral part of personal growth and self-mastery. It makes you pause, evaluate your progress, and adjust your actions accordingly. Set aside time weekly or monthly to review your goals, celebrate achievements, and identify areas for improvement. Ask yourself if your actions are aligned with your values and if your goals still resonate with your aspirations. Be honest with yourself about what's working and what isn't, and be willing to make changes. This ongoing reflection and reassessment ensures that you stay true to your path and continue to grow. In essence, mastering yourself is about taking control of your actions, reactions, and the direction you want your life to go. It's a process that requires dedication, introspection, and the willingness to change and adapt. As you apply these 10 steps, you'll find yourself moving closer to the life you envision, one marked by balance, contentment, and a deep sense of personal achievement. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the notification bell. That way you'll get notified of our next post. Also, to learn more about many other interesting topics, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.